Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handsome. It's a term that describes a person's physical appearance. Let's get started. Meaning. Handsome is an adjective that describes a person's physical appearance as attractive, pleasing to look at, and possessing qualities that are considered appealing, often in a traditional or classic way. Pronunciation. Pronounce handsome as âhænsəm, with the emphasis on the first syllable, han. Use in a sentence. 1. He is a handsome man, with chiseled features and a captivating smile. 2. She wore a handsome outfit that turned heads at the event. Synonyms. Synonyms for handsome include attractive, good-looking, charming, or appealing. Conclusion. Handsome is a word that reflects physical beauty and appeal. It's a compliment often used to describe someone's pleasing appearance. Thanks for joining us, and may your encounters with handsome individuals be a delight to the eyes.